Now, what is the hybridization present in K4FeCN6? Now, look at the board. So, before going to the hybridization, you have to know what is the classification present in the ligands. Normally, ligands are classified into monodentate, bidentate, ambidentate, and the polydentate. This is the one of the classification, and one more classification is positive ligands, negative ligands. These are the classifications. But one more classification is that the ligands are classified into strong ligands and weak ligands. Now you can look at here. There will be example is K4FeCN6. This is the given complex. In this coordination complex, you have to first of all identify what is the oxidation state of central metal. So the central metal is iron. Cn is cyanide. There will be oxidation state is -1. So here there will be a -1 charge. So 6 into -1, there will be a -6. Here there will be a +4. So the sum of oxidation state becomes 0. Here there will be no any positive and negative signs. You can equate with 0. Or sometimes there will be a charge is there, plus or minus charges. At the time you can equate with this corresponding charge. So here there will be a no charges here. So the sum of oxidation state becomes 0. That's why I am putting here there will be a +2. So +4 plus 2 becomes +6. +6 minus 6 becomes 0. So you will get the right answer. So now the oxidation state of iron is +2. This is the first step. You have to given complex, you have to find what is the oxidation state of central metal atom. Before you have to identify the oxidation state, you know what is the charges for the corresponding ligands. For example, cyanide is -1, halogens is -1, water is 0, ammonia 0. So these are the things you have to know, and then you can do what is the oxidation state. The next step is you have to write the electronic configuration of the iron. That means what is the central metal there. So iron, there will be electronic configuration is D6S2. This is the electronic configuration. So you know that what is the oxidation state of iron. Here there will be a +2. So I can remove the 2 electrons from this s orbital. Suppose if the oxidation state is +3, means what I am doing, here there will be removing 1 electron also. Suppose 4 means here also I can remove 1 more electron. So now the oxidation state here there will be a +2. So I can removing the 2 electrons. Then I can return the orbitals. First I can return the d orbitals. There will be a 5 boxes. Then s orbital. Again there will be a p orbital. Then finally once again there will be a d orbital. Then I can fill the electrons. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 6. So these are number of electrons in the d orbitals. Then I can look at the ligand. Here the ligand is Cn. Cn is the strong ligand. What are the ligands are strong ligand? Cn is the strong ligand. Ammonia is the strong ligand. Carbonyl is the strong ligand. Halogens weak ligand. And also water is also a weak ligand. So these are all weak ligands, these are all strong ligands. If it is ligand in the form of strong, there will be a pairing is occurred into the orbitals. Now how it will be pairing is occurred? Now it becomes 1, 2. This will be becomes paired. Here there will be a pairing is occurred. Now there will be a 2 orbitals in the form of vacant. And also remaining there will be s orbital, p orbital is there, and also the d orbital. Now look at number of ligands needed the orbital. There will be a 6 ligand is there. Here there will be 1 ligand. Here 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. So there will be a hybridization is D2sp3. This is the hybridization of the corresponding complex. So if you want to identifying the coordination complex hybridization means, what are the steps you have to follow? First step, you have to find the oxidation state of central metal. Then you can return the electronic configuration. From this electronic configuration, you have to remove the number of electrons for relevant with the oxidation state. Then write the hybridization. First of all, you have to fill the electrons. Then look at the ligand. There will be a strong or weak. So based on the ligand, you have to make the changes here. Then only you have to find the hybridization. So from this complex, the hybridization is D2sp3. Definitely the structure will be octahedral. In coordination complex, most of the complex from the octahedral complexes, that will be a ligand in the form of 4, means it will be in the form of tetrahedral or square planar. Now look at the structures here, the octahedral, tetrahedral and the square planar. Here there will be specifically the what is the octahedral structure of an coordination complex, right?